This is my notebook, and it's not in my notebook.
I think you did it on the board.
I did do this one on the board. Maybe. I appreciate your offer. So for this one, yes. I'm sorry? Alright. So hopefully we're ready to check this one. You guys had to solve for y, right? That's what we did. And we said that y equals 5x minus 6. And then we took this and we plugged it in right here, correct? So we wrote that it was negative 8x minus 2 times 5x minus 6 equals negative 6. All right, how did we get rid of our parentheses? You distribute. All right, and what's negative 2 times 5x? Okay. Why is it plus 12? A negative times a negative is a positive. Awesome. All right, from here, did we combine like terms? Okay. And then we subtracted 12. Why do we subtract 12? Because some people said add 12 last period and not subtract. And I want you to tell me why we subtract. Because it's a positive, yes, and we have to do the opposite. Very good. So we subtract 12. I forgot to pass out number strips. And so what does x equal? X equals positive 1. Did everybody get positive 1? Thank you.
I take next word. I'll take all of them.
If everybody, hopefully we got positive 1, because I'm pretty sure we did that part together in class. We did all of it together? Well, if you got positive 1, if everybody got positive 1, give your team a point. Sí. Gracias. Alright, now, not you, Jorge. Now, do you have gum in your mouth, Jorge?
No.
What's in your mouth? I know. I'm the devil. Alright, now that we have X, what do we have to find, Reggie? Y. Very good. And do we plug this X in up here?
Yep.
We do. So we could just say Y equals 5 times what?
5 times 1.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 6.
Alright, what's 5 times 1? What's 5 minus 6? Negativo uno. And how do we write our answer?
1 comma negative 1.
En español, por favor.
Uno, negativo uno.
Sí.
Pongo un punto ahí.
In Spanish, por favor. See, take a point. Now, did everybody get both X and Y?
Yes, ma'am.
If we did, take a point. You help me with number 1. Now, I see that not everybody did number 2. So we're going to walk through the first part of it together just to make sure. And then I want you to finish and check it, okay? Now, number 1, we solve for what variable first? No, we solve for Y. Yes, good. So on number 2, which variable has a leading coefficient of 1? X. So everybody put a box around X. Put a box around X, put a box around X, put a box around X. Are we ready? ¿Por qué no? Stop drawing and do this. You already have it? Good. Then write it down. Alright, now, if we're looking for X, how do we get X by itself? What do we do?
You gotta subtract that 5y from both sides.
Alright, take a point. Now, Alexis, can we combine negative 8 and 5y?
No.
Alexis.
It's
I don't know which way the rocks are rattling.
no.
Okay, why?
Not like
Okay, so how am I going to write it? What am I going to bring down over here?
X
Okay, and what does that equal?
5. No, 5. Negative 5. Oh yeah, equals.
No, we already have an equal sign.
Sorry. Negative 8.
Minus 8.
Minus negative.
No, minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
It's gonna.
Because you're subtracting it. Yeah. It is a negative 8 right here, and that's why we write the minus. That's a great question. So because it's negative here, we write minus 8. Alexis, you get a point. Now, do we know what x equals?
Yes.
So we're going to take what x equals, and we're going to plug it in right here.
Negative.
Does everybody see that? Let's just pause for a second and make sure everybody's on the same page as me. And Paris. See, no.
No.
Porque no. You make my head hurt. Alright, don't cover that up. It is so hot in here. No, eat a cheeseburger. Now, we're going to take what x equals. Haha, it's so funny. It's still a year later. Stop. And we're going to plug in what x equals up here.
So it'd be negative 5.
Wait, tater tot. So I'm going to write negative 5 times. What does x equal?
Negative 5 minus 8.
Paris, I love it, but give somebody else a chance. What comes next? Plus 6y equals
9.
yes. Are we ready?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
How do I get rid of parentheses?
You just did
Okay, so negative 5 times negative 5y is
25y.
positive or negative? Positivo. Yes.
And then you plus 40.
Why is it plus 40?
Because multiply negative times negative equals
See?
5. And then plus 6y equals 9. And then
Wait. Like, pump the brakes. The car is about to crash. Slam on the brakes.
I never said.
Alright, negative 5 times negative 5y gave us positive 25y. Negative 5 times negative 8 gave us positive 40. Plus 6y equals 9. Alright, what's 25y plus 6y?
31y.
31. Then you got to subtract 40 from both sides.
Why do we subtract?
Because it's the opposite of addition.
You should give us.
I just need y'all to breathe for just a minute. Just breathe.
Oh, we ready.
Negativo or positivo?
Negativo. I know.
Okay. And now we divide by...
31 and you'll get...
Stop!
You get negative points. Oh, you said to bring me break.
Y'all about to lose points. You gotta stop. When I ask you to stop, you've got to stop. You're gonna lose points. I love that you're participating, but other people are not able to understand because y'all screaming.
I'm sorry, guys.
-1. Now, we know what y is. Do we need to find x?
Yes, I know.
So we're going to take what y equals, and we're going to plug it in right here. Does everybody understand?
Yes, I know.
Porque no? Alright. So we have x equals -5 times, what is y?
Negative 1.
-1.
And then you go to
Now, what is -5 times -1?
Negative 5.
it's 5. Yeah, it's 5.
Positive 5.
+5.
Guys. No.
A negative times a negative is a,
5.
what's 5 minus 8?
-3.
How do we write our answer? Paris, let somebody else answer. Reggie, let somebody else answer.
Bryn, you can answer, Bryn.
Bryn,
Answer, Bryn. Answer, Bryn.
Hey, don't, let's not yell at her. Stop. Let's breathe. Now she's nervous and she don't want to
Nick
answer.
knows.
Go Nick.
Tell her, Nick.
Go Nick. No, dude.
X comes first. Bryn, how do we write it?
Just switch it around.
X comes first. What's X? Oh my gosh. -3, -1. None of y'all get points.
What? You didn't even let me Paris answer.
Life is tough. Now, I want you to use what we did for number 1 and number 2 and do number 3 and number 4 right now. 3 and 4 right now. Number 3 is just like number 1. Number 4 is just like number 2. Should we move it over? 3 and 4. Is that better, Mackenzie? Okay.
I was right there. Don't question my word.
Sí. 3X. Could you...
Wait, yes it is.
It's a -12 plus 18. Paris, why are you up? It looks like you're talking, not helping. So let's sit. Let's sit. So it's -12 plus 18. 6, yeah. So then what does X equal? 2. Where?
No, I didn't.
Alright, now that we have X, do we have to find Y? You gotta plug it in. On number 4, I would watch this negative in front of the X. Treat it like a -1. On number 4, you gotta treat it like a -1. Let's go. We still got stuff to do.
You help me on the first one so I can get an idea how to do this with this one. Is 2 1? I got 2 -2. Okay, on the first one.
Okay. Colors music. It's my only way to get out of this person talking to me.
Wait. What did you just do? So you divided both them and then divided them.
Just ask no. What's going on?
Then you add 3.
That was y'all doing.
Oh, Y equals that, so you add right here.
I need SWAT.
Then you distribute. So we still have to find Y and X.
Yep.
Yes, I see an X.
And then what about
No, I don't want to hear
the
it.
double
I don't
Y
want to hear that.
or double X?
Set them equal to each other.
Trying to break something.
Set them equal to each other.
I didn't hear you, I'm sorry.
Set them equal to each other.
Set them equal to each other.
All right, did everybody set up number 4 like this? Which ones? You know what y equals. Plug it in for y.
And that's all we gotta do for that one. On this one, on the ones like this, we don't have to find a y or x.
Yeah.
It's so confusing.
You'll be fine. It washes out. I mark it myself all the time. You should run into my marker.
The marker should run into you.
Okay, so I plugged in. I found that x equals negative 7y plus 13. I took what x equaled and I plugged it in right here. But I have a negative out front. Didn't I just say to treat it like a negative 1?
Yeah.
How do we get rid of a negative 1?
Distribute.
Alright, finish. See, that's fine. I'm coming.